My bike check update thing. Alright, same shit. Stolen vortex fork, primo spokes, Odyssey vandero 2 hub, animal GLH tire, animal rim strip front and back, Odyssey headset, primo Aneyerlator stem, treetop cap. I know I said some mean shit about it, but hey, I don't feel like sending that shit back. Odyssey lumberjack bars, Odyssey bar ends, Odyssey senior 2C, stolen s.i.c posts, stolen team cranks, DK exo chain, profile spline sproket, colony fantastic PC pedal, white, Odyssey twisted PC pedal, glow in the dark orange, shadow stun rims, both haro spokes on the back, stock sealed hub, had a demolition rose hub, and somebody stole my whole rear wheel. Like I had a stock rim on the back, niggas stole my shit. That was too blue. Primo e-comet folding e-comet tire, and this is what my hub sound like. That's good enough. Oh, and the avatar tattoo was goody.